Hi guys, for all those guys who were following Arclinux, basically you were always using Arch. And the last video I think you need, and then you are golden. That's number 17.
Hi guys.
So remember, after the video that we stopped or will stop Arclinux, then I started numbering or naming everything with edu, which is the Erik Dubois, right? The initials. And number 17 is basically all you need to understand and to follow. And afterwards, so pure Arch install, and then you install the Arclinux Nemesis script. You change and adapt and delete and run the scripts separately or start changing them, right? So that's what I think would be best for you to go to move on to if you need to reinstall, right? Because it is still a rolling release. Arclinux, Arch Linux, it's all rolling. This video is about that particular step. If we have something based on Arch, if we run then our scripts and get our configs in, basically copy paste, but you can make it more advanced and package it and put it on a repo. But basically it's nothing more than copy paste. Alacrity configurations, blank configurations, I don't know, whatever thing you are into, awesome or DWM, etc. It's a copy paste. That's basically it. But what if, right, there we go, what if I'd like to have cinnamon? So as you saw, this is Arco. Well, no, it's Arch. If you type ISO, yeah, let's wait for this. So everything pops up. This is for real metal. Super Shift Q, Q, wait for it, Q, Q. Voila, we're back, right? So maybe an update is in order. Control T in this, and just these two, three. ISO, right? This means we're Arch. We could have seen this here as well, but right, logos are the same on Arch Linux and Arclinux now. But the file defrel does not exist on Arch. It's something specific from Arco. So we're on Arch. That's the point, right? We are on Arch. I have already something. So XD, we have herpsluftwm and xfce. One of the things we do on Arco Net Advanced Installation on the ISO is this: sudo pacman -rns. Remove now stupid, right? Remember the joking context or text that I said, RNS. Well, voila. And then xfce4, something to remember. And you get always goodies, sometimes a goodie bag and all that, right? So xfce4, you get goodies. And that's it. If you do this, everything will be deleted from, well, everything. The desktop xfce will be deleted. If it says something like this, it just means you need to add something more. Catfish has to go too. And that's it. This is your desktop, right? If you click yes, it's gone. We don't have a desktop anymore. So what you're looking at now disappears. Sudo pacman, and then it's up to you. Gnome, Mate, cinnamon. That was my what if. What if I replace one desktop with another? It's this simple. It is this simple. 2 commands. You got to love Arch, right? 2 commands. That's it. And herpsluft is still there. So if I say, no, not my thing, right? Then you go for this one as well. But that's the application. The configuration might be also somewhere in there. In this case, it's not, right? In this case, it's not. The only thing why it's there is in the config. But I think we better reboot, because we're working on something that's not there anymore, right? We removed it. Okay, we removed xfce and you're working on xfce. So reboot. And this is how simple it is to get rid of xfce4, get plasma in, mate in, or cinnamon, or any of the others, right? that's a simple message and an important message. xfce4, xfce4 goodies, add more things that the dependencies that need it, and boof, you have one liner. Cinnamon, there it is. So the application is gone. Since the application is gone, we only have cinnamon here, but there is still a config in my home, Erik.config, but so it, right? It's a folder with some files that will not be applied since there is no app. Yep, I know, you want to start, you want to let me log in, right mouse click, choose something nice, change the desktop background. This one is a nice one. And you go on having fun because this is cinnamon. Backgrounds, oh, not that one. We've done that. The themes, not that background. Please no, right? Next. Avoid that. We have Bipata Modernize, we have Art Dark, we have lots of icons. Let's go for that one. All right. It's alive, right? You've got Arch with cinnamon. And then there might be still some smaller things that you say, I'd like to change this and that. But there you go. We have a cinnamon setup on Arch. It's this simple. That's Arch for you. Cheers.